On a daily routine of walking the meanies. Today it's Buck. Here's Buck. Say hi, Buck. Hi, Buck. Hi, Buck. Say hi, Buck. Say hi, Buck. Look at him. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at him. Look at this guy. Amazing. Like a Rocky. Yes, Papa. You can Rocky. You can Rocky. Come here, Rocky. Oh, and then there's Snoop. I have Buck tied at my waist. Snoop. I'm over here. Snoop. There's Susie Cutie. Fucking rude ass Puerto Rican bitch right there. Susie Cutie! I was yapping. Ah! Snoop just checked Susie Cutie. And there's Ziggy. Hi, Ziggy. Look at there's Ziggy. Ziggy! Hi, Papa Chulo. Hi, Ziggy. Who else is all here? Oh, there's Mary Jane. Mary Jane's chilling and relaxing, watching all of us. Just kicking back. Love's inside the house, watching through the window because she's a fucking mean ass bitch. She's always fucking trying to attack Mary Jane and bite her, and so we have been constantly trading them off playtime. And Love thought she was all bad when everybody was riding their quads and stuff out here earlier and their dirt bikes, and she was all chasing bikes and going crazy. And so now that I'm out here with the animals, she has to sit inside and Mary Jane gets to come out, and so she's all hating life. Oh. And I only stay the property with Buck because Buck. Look at Ziggy. Look at here's Ziggy. Live footage of Ziggy, who hates Zach's dad with a passion. We have no idea why. This is a daily, constant scene. Every single day. Ziggy, shut up! Ziggy! He hates Zach's dad. It's a trip. Okay. Let's say bye to Buck. Oh, and Alice is in the back, fucking screaming her head off. Hi, Buck. Look at Buck. Look at Buck. Yeah, Buck. Stay.